The Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25 Plus have been revealed in what appear to be the most reliable leaks to date, giving us an exciting glimpse into Samsung's flagship lineup for 2025. These leaks, shared by renowned industry tipster Even Blass, showcase the design of both phones, along with a few key features that are sure to catch the attention of tech enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details of these leaked images and what they tell us about Samsung's next big release. The leaked images come from Even Blass' Private X, formerly Twitter profile. Although the resolution of the images is quite low, likely due to the cover methods used to obtain them, they still provide valuable insight. Both the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra are shown from the front, and each device features a stock wallpaper that will reportedly ship with the phones. One of the most notable changes in the S25 Ultra is its new design approach. Samsung has moved away from the sharp corners that were iconic to previous Ultra models, opting instead for more rounded edges. This change makes the device stand out while still retaining its distinct identity compared to competitors like the iPhone 16. The Ultra's design balances elegance and practicality, avoiding the overly rounded look that some users associate with Apple's flagship models. Both the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra are seen running on Samsung's latest One UI 7. The updated user interface brings vibrant icon colors, suggesting a more polished and modern aesthetic. The official release of One UI 7 is expected to coincide with the launch of the S25 lineup, marking another milestone for Samsung's software ecosystem. What makes One UI 7 particularly exciting is its integration with Galaxy AI, powered by the advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This AI-driven feature aims to enhance user experiences by optimizing performance, providing smarter assistance, and improving multitasking capabilities. Samsung's revamped Bixby, which is reportedly more capable than ever, is part of this push towards smarter devices. While it draws comparisons to Apple Intelligence, a feature promised but not fully delivered by Apple, Samsung's approach seems to be setting new standards. The leaks also shed light on the hardware specs of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung is bringing back the option for 16 gigabytes of RAM, likely to ensure smooth operation of Galaxy AI and other resource-intensive features. This addition is a significant step forward, especially for power users who demand top-tier performance from their devices. Storage options for the Ultra model cater to a wide range of needs, but specific configurations have yet to be confirmed. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is another highlight of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This cutting-edge processor promises exceptional performance and efficiency, costs even higher. If these reports are accurate, Samsung will need to carefully balance premium features with affordability to maintain its competitive edge. The Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25 Plus are shaping up to be standout devices in Samsung's 2025 lineup. From their sleek new designs and powerful hardware to the integration of One UI 7 and Galaxy AI, these phones promise to deliver cutting-edge technology in a refined package. However, the ultimate success of the S25 series will depend on how Samsung manages its pricing strategy in the face of rising production costs and stiff competition from rivals like Apple. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a significant step forward in mobile technology, with a host of exciting upgrades and design tweaks. But there's one key detail that has been missing from the conversation. Until now, the price. Reports suggest that these new flagship devices could see a slight price increase, raising an important question for buyers: how costly is too costly? But why is that happening, and how much more will you have to pay for these next-gen smartphones? Stick around and let's dive into all the details. Before we get into the price increase speculation, let's quickly recap the pricing for the Galaxy S24 series when it launched earlier this year. The 6.2-inch Galaxy S24 started at $799.99 for the 128GB model, with the 256GB version priced at $859.99. The 6.7-inch Galaxy S24 Plus started at $999.99 for the 256GB variant, with the 512GB model going for $1,119.99. The 6.8-inch Galaxy S24 Ultra started at $1,299.99 for the 256GB variant, with the 512GB option priced at $1,419.99. Now keep those numbers in mind as we move into the potential price increase for the Galaxy S25 series. So what's behind this slight price increase? According to sources from Yonhap News in Korea, two main factors are at play here. 1. Rising exchange rates. As strange as it might sound, the exchange rate between the South Korean won and the US dollar is one of the key drivers of the potential price hike. The One has been under pressure for much of this year, meaning Samsung will have to pay more for the same components imported from other countries, like the US. This could affect the overall cost of production and, inevitably, retail prices. 2. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The second factor is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Samsung is expected to use this new, powerful chipset in all Galaxy S25 models globally, including the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Qualcomm, the maker of this chip, is reportedly raising the price of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and that's likely to increase production costs for Samsung as well. As we know, higher component costs often lead to higher retail prices. Now, here's where things get tricky. It's not clear exactly how much the price of the Galaxy S25 series will increase, but based on what we've seen in the past, it's safe to assume there will be a price hike. Here's my best guess for the new pricing. 6.2-inch Galaxy S25, likely to start at $849.99 for the 128GB version, with the 256GB model priced at $899.99. 6.7-inch Galaxy S25 Plus. Expect to see prices starting at $1,049.99 for the 256GB variant and $1,159.99 for the 512GB version. 6.8-inch Galaxy S25 Ultra. This could start at around $1,349.99 for the 256GB model, with the 512GB version pushing up to $1,499.99. I know these prices might seem a bit hard to swallow, especially if you're eyeing the high-end S25 Ultra. But here's the thing. Along with the price increase, you're also getting upgrades in RAM and storage. For instance, the S25 Ultra may come with 16GB of RAM in its 512GB version, making it a powerhouse for those looking to multitask and game at the highest levels. One of the most highly anticipated models of the S25 family, the Galaxy S25 Slim, isn't mentioned in the latest reports, but it's expected to arrive a few months after the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The Slim model will likely come with a thinner design, a removal of the stylus, the S Pen, and top-of-the-line camera specs. But here's the catch. The S25 Slim is likely going to cost a small fortune. If you were hoping for a price below $1,200, you might want to reconsider. Given the rumored specifications and high-end features, it's expected to be priced similarly to the S25 Ultra, if not higher. Now, this next part might seem a little unexpected, but there's actually a connection between South Korea's political situation and the potential price hike. On December 3, 2024, South Korea experienced a brief martial law, which has put more pressure on the won. This has led to a drop in the value of the won against the US dollar, making imports more expensive. And since Samsung imports a lot of its components, this situation could result in even higher prices for the Galaxy S25 series, especially in South Korea. Reports suggest that Snapdragon 8 Elite chipsets from Qualcomm are also more expensive, which means Samsung will have to raise prices to cover the added cost. We could see the price of the S25 series increase by 100,000 to 150,000 Korean won, around $70 to $100 in South Korea. This increase may also affect other markets, particularly where the currency is weak against the dollar. What do you think about the potential price hikes? Are you still planning to pick up one of the new Galaxy S25 devices, or will the increased cost make you reconsider? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S25 and other tech news.